Are you tired of just scraping by and dreaming of a better financial future? It may be time for you to consider investing in real estate as a route to reach this goal. Investing in real estate can provide an excellent opportunity to increase your wealth. Hi, I'm Kerri Lawless with eXp Realty. Although it may sound intimidating, real estate investing can generate passive income, which can build long-term financial stability. Real estate is also an appreciating asset, meaning its value will most likely increase over time as the market grows. And not all investments require large sums of money, as there are some brilliant techniques that any savvy investor should research and consider before taking the plunge into this arena. Feel free to reach out to me so I can help navigate the market and help you find the best opportunities for your investment portfolio. So why wait? Take control of your financial future and start investing in real estate today. I'm Kerri Lawless with eXp Realty.